Welcome to 765 O'Farrell number 34. This is a large Tenderloin, Lower Nob Hill downtown studio, whatever you want to call it. Technically they call it downtown, available for lease. We're in the main room, which features really nice hardwood floors. It opens to a huge walk-in closet and a remodeled kitchen, and your foyer that leads to the bathroom. Through here, we go to the kitchen. There's a fancy tiled floor. There's a white quartz countertop. A full-size sink with a retractable faucet. Gas range with broiler and hood. Maple cabinets. And you have a nice sunny breakfast area here in the kitchen. This door leads to the large walk-in closet, as does this one. It's like a second room. And you have a little foyer with the old phone stuff, and a second closet, and a nicely remodeled bath, tiled floor, granite vanity, newer tub, all tiled. And then you have your little foyer here. If you're interested in leasing, 765 O'Farrell number 34, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.